Hey, it's Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha. I wanted to give you guys a follow-up on a video I did about Billo and making money. I posted this on the page to tell you something that you could do as a side hustle. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video. I wanted to let you know that it has, I shared it with you guys, and most of the stuff that I share, especially if it's a side hustle or a part-time thing that I could do from the comfort of my home, I do try it out once or twice. Just like I did the pallet flipping and made my money back on the pallet flipping. Definitely check out that video, and that course is very reasonable. You definitely can flip some product before the holidays because some people are still waiting for some of their products to get to them. So if you can get a pallet and post it on the Facebook Marketplace or Let Go, Offer Up, let me tell you, you can make your money fast. Girl was busy trying to flip that stuff off that pallet. Let me tell you, people were calling me and inboxing me a lot. And I wanted to do it because I don't like to share things on my platform unless I try them. I mean, I like to share things on my platform that I haven't tried. I look at the reviews, but I wanted to definitely do this one, and I did it, and it worked, and I made my money back and some. So I'm super excited about that. Will I do it again? Absolutely. It's getting a little cold now, so meeting people to give them product is a little different. But for me, it definitely was a game changer to something that you could do to add additional income to your monthly, income, right? I loved it. So second, but I wanted to tell you, Billo is a great place for you to, if you like to video, you like to give your opinion, you like to try free products, and you can speak, right? You can describe your experience with a product and professionally, and you can definitely do this. Check it out. There'll be a link in the description box. Like I said, I've created content since I posted that video, so it's been like almost a month and a half. 40 different brands have chose me to create their content. And I'm so grateful for that because that's part of the marketing. That's part of my passion that I love to do, is help businesses grow, from small business to businesses, big businesses that you know and you see on social media every day. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's just a quick follow-up video. I hope you guys are well. We're going into Christmas. I hope you guys have a blessed holiday season, and I'll try to get some more side hustles out to you. I just been so busy with that and so busy with a couple of clients that I got. So I just wanted to share that with you. The link will be below. Now, if you want to use Billo for your business, you have an affiliate opportunity, you have a small business, you have a product, or you have a service. Whether your company is small or large, they can help you. They have some of the biggest brands that they are assisting with their user-generated content. And that is an amazing way to sell. You guys know you can post something on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, just off of a review and bring in sales for your business. So you definitely want to go over there and check it out. I hope you guys are all blessed. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day.